While Kerala has always been a politically aware state with its citizens showing high political responsibility, especially during the election season with high voter turnout. And things are no different this time as people from different parts of the world are flying down to Kerala to cast their vote on the 26th of April as Kerala goes to polling booth on the 26th in the second phase of Lok Sabha elections. We are understanding that in Vadagara parliamentary constituency alone in Kerala, more than 22,000 people have already landed to cast their vote. We are seeing mostly in the Malabar side of Kerala where there are a lot of people who are settled abroad, especially in the Gulf countries, coming to cast their vote. Now, these are facilitated by certain organizations also like the KMCC, which is the Kerala Muslim Cultural Center, an organization of the largest Indian diaspora organization in the UAE. We have the Priyadarshini Congress, the INCAS are all organizations associated with political parties, especially the Congress and the Indian Union Muslim League, who are organizing and facilitating this journey from the UAE and other parts of the world to Kerala. Now, the procedure is this, that all these organizations have an understanding, have partnered with certain travel agencies to ensure that the tickets are available at an affordable rate and to ensure that there are chartered flights available, considering that there were heavy rainfall that hit UAE in the last few weeks. Now, the voters on their own have to pay for the flight tickets, but everything else will be coordinated by these organizations as well as the Malayali organizations in the UAE. Not just the Congress and the IUML, we are also seeing the left organizations like Kairali in UAE also reaching out to the voters and, asking them to come down to Kerala if possible to cast their vote. In Vadagara parliamentary constituency, where there is a large expatriate population, we saw the UDF candidate Shafi Parambil traveling to UAE with his campaign, also taking his campaign outside the country to the UAE, appealing to the voters to come down if possible to cast their vote. There were two requests that he made. If possible, if your financial liabilities permit you, please come to Kerala and cast your vote. It is exercise your right. It is your moral responsibility. If possible, please do come. He also asked them, if you are in Kerala for vacations or if you're going to the UAE for vacations, ensure that you leave after the 26th so that you can be here to cast your vote. So, in Vadagara parliamentary constituency, the NRIs play a very important role because in the NRI population, the Gulf remittance have played a very important role in the economy of Vadagara. So, it's a tight contest that's taking place in Vadagara with the CPIM's candidate, between the CPIM's candidate KK Shailaja and the UDF's Shafi Parambil, a very tight contest, probably the toughest contest that's taking place in Kerala for the Lok Sabha elections. But yes, this also goes on to show the responsibility, the political responsibility and the responsibility as a citizen of the country of the Keralites to come down to their home, book your flights, come in huge numbers, take part in the celebration of the world's largest democracy.